Well, I want to check that out.
Well, I'd like to bring out, Steve, this is Jonathan Stritzel.
How's it going, Steve?
How you doing, man?
It's going good.
And
right
this,
on.
Jonathan is from BigStage. Jonathan, Steve needs an avatar, but he wants something cool, not a cartoon.
That's not a problem, Steve. That's what we do. So BigStage is all about the personal internet. The personal internet is a place where you're going to be able to create the digital version of you, and that version of you will be ported into all sorts of new and exciting entertainment experiences. Now, all this is totally capable using a standard digital camera right here. We're going to create an avatar of Steve by taking 3 simple pictures, and this camera is like all the cameras I see pointed at us right now, okay? So Steve, you're going to look directly at me, just straight face.
Smile or just straight face?
Just straight face,
okay.
And then you're going to turn this
See, but
and like
you're going
this.
to make me laugh, because I can never do
You can't help
it.
it. You're a star. All right, look straight ahead.
There you go.
I'm going to take this picture, turn a little bit right there. We're going to take the next one right here, and one more. And right, hold still, right there. All right, cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take these 3 pictures, and we're going to bring them right over here to this PC. And to save a little bit of time, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use some images that we took earlier, Steve. So we'll load them up right here. So these are the images, 3 simple face turns, as you guys see. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to build the digital Steve now, so get ready. It'll be around 30 seconds to a minute or so, so let's talk about what you guys are about to see. So in roughly a short period of time, you're going to have to wait. I know you want to see this and you're smiling like crazy. You're going to see the digital Steve fully animated. It's going to be talking, it's going to be winking and blinking, and ready for content. Now, what do you do with that avatar once all of you guys have created a digital version of yourself? The digital avatar can then be ported into 2 forms of content, a still image or a video. Now, you can take those still images and videos and share them over the amazing social networking technologies we've seen evolve in the past years. So, Steve, let's go check you out. Let's see if it's done. It looks like it's done. So, ladies and gentlemen, the debut of the digital Steve. And there he is.
Thank God I still have hair.
Oh, the hair? Are you having a problem with that?
Well, I like this thing. This is the mohawk, and I had a mohawk back in the 80s, so if I'm going to have some hair, I'd like a mohawk.
Okay.
I'm not that young. Come on.
All right, so Paul, he wants some hair. All right, so let's have some fun with him.
The man wants a mohawk.
So, okay, let's give him a mohawk. Let's have some fun with this here. So, there you go. So we're accessorizing the digital Steve. Now, let's continue this process a little more. What do you say about some
shades?
Some shades? Yeah. All right, some shades, maybe some jewelry. I don't see any on your face right now. So we'll add some shades, provided by our friends over at Oakley, and we'll let's have some fun with this, Paul. What should we give him?
I think he needs a nose ring.
A nose ring?
This is the part I don't like, because I never had a nose ring.
All right, so let's move over here. How about the bull ring? What do you guys think? Is that good? Is that good?
I'm divorced right now.
It looks great. It looks good.
She's packing her bags.
It looks good. So you come to BigStage.com. You're going to create the digital avatar, taking those 3 simple pictures. You're going to identify yourself, and then you're going to take it into different content experiences.
Yeah. That's great, Jonathan. But what can you do with the avatar now that you've got it?
Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to put it directly into a piece of content, right? The simplest form of content that we have at BigStage is called the BigStage still image. Now I'm going to go ahead and open one up. Steve, we heard that you actually really like to go fast. You like fast cars. You like cool bikes, especially choppers.
Let's rock and roll.
So the team over at BigStage has prepared a cool still image for Steve. It's a little surprise. I don't think you've seen this yet. And we're going to load it up here, and it's going to be the digital Steve on a cool bike. Okay?
Awesome.
Now, it's a simple image here, but it's really powerful what this does. So what we're going to do, let's go ahead and personalize this image. We'll go ahead and we'll be nice to him.
My bike actually looks like that.
Yeah, oh, you do?
Yeah, and that actually is scarily, that looks so much.
Let me tell you, Paul is in more businesses than you can imagine.
That's freaking me out.
So here we go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to be nice here. We'll give you your normal hair. And then maybe we'll add an expression on your face. Are you surprised in this image?
No.
Right? Maybe.
I'm kind of angry because I'm kind of like the biker angry guy. Do that.
Okay, we'll give you a badder look here because you're on this bike. There you go.
That's it.
There you go. Now this image can be taken. Steve can take it to his social networking pages. He can put it on a blog. He can put it in an email and share it with his friends. He'll get further commentary on this image. And this is the nature of what BigStage does. Now, Paul, I know you have a teenage daughter.
I do.
What do you think she's going to think about that?
I think she and her friends
Some problems?
would really love this.
Yeah.
Maybe not the bike, but
It's going to be huge. I'm telling you, it's going to be huge.
And if you guys think that's going to be the simplest form, it is going to be a big deal. I mean, imagine what happens when you take the still image, you extend it directly into video. Now, what we've done at BigStage is we've created an open platform for content creators, directors, writers all over the world to create a new form of technology that takes each and every one of you and immerses it directly into the entertainment experience that you see. So it's you, it's your friends, it's Paul, Steve, Jonathan, together in some new epic web short shot specifically for this new medium. So, got a little surprise from Mr. Odolini here. So, Steve, Paul, you're on stage with a rock star today.
Yeah.
And so what we've done is we've grabbed one of your old videos, Steve, where you're rocking out, and we've actually taken Paul's pictures that we took earlier, and we snuck a clone of Paul. So we got a digital Paul going.
This is my first video, actually.
Oh, okay. Well, this is Paul's first. This is great.
This is
It's the
Paul's
debut.
video.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Check
Paul
this out.
Odolini singing "Walking on the Sun." We got a little audio issue here. Paul, come on, let's fill it. Fill it on the audio side for us. Well, there he is, and here's the close, and he's done.
Mr. Paul, Odolini, please.
Oh,
Give it
come on,
up.
give him a hand, give him a hand.
I was gonna tell Paul, and I'll tell you guys this, but keep it a secret. What goes on in this room stays in this room. During that video, Paul had a really good time, actually. During the making of that video, especially with that one person.
let's not go there.
No, we're not. We're moving on.
You know, that one, I thought that was pretty cool, and apart from the fact that I couldn't sing, maybe consider switching jobs with you.
You mean I could be the CEO?
It has its moments.
I'll trade you right now.
No,
Just give me the credit card, and I'll give you the...
give me your
I'm
lifestyle.
buying, okay?
Anyway, that's great. So, Jonathan, when is this launching?
Oh, great. So BigStage.com is launching in Q2 this year. Thanks to all of the genius work done by the BigStage engineers, you're going to be able to come to BigStage.com, upload 3 simple pictures with your standard digital camera, create the digital you, and put that directly into your entertainment experiences. And it'll improve all of your entertainment in the near future. That's it.
Great.
Simple, guys.
amazing.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Steve, for your time.
You're
Paul,
on to
thank you.
something.
See you guys.
I want some stock in that company.
Boy.